Hello guys! Sandugan ko naman kayong muli ng isa pang a cappella song. Ito ay nagmula sa aking sintonadong boses. Ito guys, isang medley song mula sa original na singer ng Air Supply. Ayan guys, sana magustuhan nyo. Hindi po ako tunay na singer. Ito ay isang sintonadong boses ko lang guys. Ito ay isang a cappella song. Sa ayaw namang marinig ang aking sintonadong boses na nire-record na a cappella song, pwede nyo naman pong i-skip lahat ang aking mga inaawit. Ayan, maraming salamat din po sa walang sawa nyong pagsusuporta at pagkikinig sa aking mga a cappella song. Ayan guys, handog ko para sa inyong lahat mula sa Air Supply. Here I am, playing with those memories again. And just when I thought time had set me free, those thoughts of you keep daunting me, holding you. A feeling I never outgrow, though it's in every part of me has tried. Only you can feel that space inside, so there's no sense pretending my heart is not mending. Just when I thought I was over you, and just when I thought I could stand on my own, oh baby, those memories come crashing through, and I just can't go on without you. Guys, maraming salamat sa walang sawa niyong pagsusuporta sa aking sintonadong boses. Ito'y isang a cappella song lang, guys. I can see the pain living in your eyes, and I know how hard you try. You deserve to have so much more. I can feel your heart and I sympathize, and I'll never criticize all you've ever meant to my life. I don't want to let you down, I don't want to let you on, I don't want to hold you back from where you might belong. You would never ask me why my heart is so disguised. I just can't live a lie anymore. I would rather hurt myself than to ever make you cry. There's nothing left to say but goodbye. Guys, pagpasensyaan nyo rin po sana kung ito lang ang makakayanan kong ihahandog na boses para sa inyo. Isang awiting sintonado. You would never ask me why my heart is so disguised. I just can't live a lie anymore. I would rather hurt myself than to ever make you cry. There's nothing left to try, though it's gonna hurt us both. There's no other way than to say goodbye. Sana nagustuhan nyo guys, at meron pang isa. Ito ay isang a cappella song lang guys ha. Isang medley mula sa original na singer ng Air Supply. Maraming salamat pong muli. Ayan, paulit-ulit na ako nagpapasalamat guys sa walang sawang pagsusuportan nyo sa aking mga acapella. I came to you and never asked too much, wondering what you would say, hoping you'd understand it's not a role I usually play. Don't speak too much of what's been going on. The past is over and gone. Give me your troubled mind, you know it's true. I can do so much for you. I want you, having you near me, holding you near me. I want you to stay and never go away. It's alright having you near me, holding you near me. I love you tonight, it feels alright. It feels alright. Ayan guys, dyan na po nagtatapos ang aking medley song mula sa Air Supply. Thank you for watching, having you near me, holding you near me. I want you to stay and never go away. It's alright having you near me, holding you near me. I love you tonight, it feels alright, feels alright. See you on my next record, guys. I love you all. And God bless. Have a lovely morning, afternoon, and evening. And bye for now. Here I am, playing with those memories again. And just when I thought time had set me free,